And it's great to be back here at Ecosummit. I'm Charlotta Holmquist. I'm one of the co-founders of Blixt. And we are here to flip the switch, literally. So just imagine, no more blackouts, no more downtime, and no more overloads. Everything is always on. So I'm obviously talking about electricity, and it powers almost everything and every aspect of our lives. But still, to control the electricity, we are relying on an ancient grid and mechanical switchgear that was invented over 100 years ago. So yes, we do have a problem. Because mechanics, it cannot act quick enough, it cannot adapt, and it cannot think. So they are obviously not suited to handle two-way flow of energy, distributed energy production, or handling peak loads. So what we need is not just a small grid upgrade, we need a paradigm shift from mechanical to programmable power. So we thought, what if we could use this and control electricity the same way as we do with software, and really take that giant leap from this analog network into a fully digitized and real-time network. So said and done, with our solid-state technology, you could actually see, move, and control electricity in real time, down to every circuit and every sine wave. So this is quite a big change. So I welcome our first flagship product, that is Blixt Zero. It's the world's first miniature solid-state switchgear. And don't think of a better mechanical switch. This is a new category. It actually combines the functionality of 1,000 different mechanical hardware devices, and on top of that, it can run so many different applications. So I would more compare this to the digital brain in your power network, or like the smart home of energy management, if you would like. And it's not just theory, it's out there. So one example, industrial manufacturing. Sanmina, they are the fourth largest EMS producer in the world. They run a lot of factories. They use our device for primarily two reasons: avoiding downtime and making sure they run the facilities energy efficient. The number of applications, predict machine failure is a very good example, sequential startup. We actually discover new use cases every day together with Sanmina. So I would also like to say, and also was mentioned earlier here today, this is a new way how to think about industry automation through the power flow in that factory. Other examples, Vattenfall, they are running Europe's most modern microgrid. They are using our equipment to monitor and control all assets and loads to bring that microgrid safely back from a black start and work with demand response. Our company was also invited to NATO's Diana program, and that's all about accelerating dual-use technologies. And obviously, we come into the picture for more energy resilience, both in civilian operations, but also in critical missions. We also partner up with the large OEMs, such as Havells, to bring programmable power to one of the fastest growing markets in the world, and that is in India. We don't want to spend too much, but I'm also very proud that we participate in a 10 million euro consortium project on DC-powered ships, because the DC evolution is happening on land, but it's also happening on ships to make sure those can run as energy efficient as possible. One more thing, and our latest leap forward within the concept of programmable power, we control the current flow, but we also control the voltage conversion. And that is the X-Verter. So this is a fully software-defined battery pack. It can adapt seamlessly to any power source. So think of any AC or DC power source and deliver out any desired output. It's all a software configuration. And again, it's not just a better battery pack, it's a new category. So we can do with cell-level control of the batteries, configure this for any setup at any time. With our technologies, we tap into massive markets, 500 billion euro hardware markets. But what I'm in particular passionate about is all the software applications, the premium applications that we can run on this new infrastructure and really redefine how we can monetize on energy. So we are a team, 20 people, both very talented engineers, obviously, both hardware, software, data scientists. Myself, I've been an entrepreneur the past 20 plus years. We closed a good funding round last year, co-led by Energy Revolution Ventures and Union Square Ventures. We are also supported with two quite significant EU projects from the EIC. So I'm here at the Ecosummit for primarily two reasons. One is that we would like to see more pilot deployments, and I'm talking about grid, utilities, data centers, heavy industries, manufacturing industries, those kind of facilities. And obviously, we will have funding needs in the future, so I'm really keen to build relationships with investors that would like to join our journey. Thank you so much for listening.